Okay, I'm having a slight problem with my door lock. It unlocks, but when I hit lock, it doesn't do anything. All the other doors work. This one just unlock and lock. And it won't unlock when the door's open. I have to crawl through the fucking trunk. And then when I do the key in the door, nothing. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Doesn't. And the key in the door turns pretty smooth. Now when it's closed, when I lock it, when I try to unlock it, it won't turn and it won't. You have to force it back. It'll lock, but then it won't unlock. The fuck? That's it. And here we go. Here's unlock, lock, unlock, and it doesn't move. Lock, unlock. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. The key in the door. So unlock, lock. You gotta fucking force it. And it'll actually lock when the door is closed, but it just won't unlock it. It's fucking horse shit. So if anybody could help me out, that would be awesome.